Hey, what's up, guys? Hello, everyone. And today I'm again here with one more live stream. And welcome to this live stream. I can see people joining already, so you can drop your inside the comment box hi, so we can sure that we are live and I'm audible everywhere: Facebook, YouTube, in my profile, my page, right? Okay, awesome, guys. So today we have a special guest with us, founder and CEO of FlexiFunnels, Saurabh Bhatnagar, with us. So first of all, before I begin, let's welcome him, right? Uh, just give me a second. Hello, Saurabh. How are you?
Hey, hi. I'm good. How are you? Good to
Awesome,
good
awesome.
to
I'm
good to
too
be over
fine.
here.
Awesome. Thank you for joining and giving us this time. And we'll be talking about FlexiFunnels, whatever we have to offer. And we'll dive a bit deeper inside FlexiFunnels because there were a lot of questions from people. So, yeah, we are moving ahead. So, guys, today's session is going to be a super valuable if you're a creator, marketer, course seller, agency owner, or let's say a founder of any business, right? Who wants to build websites, build funnels and courses without juggling into multiple tools, right? So we are going to deep dive into FlexiFunnels AI, and yeah, founder himself is here with us. So before we start, let me quickly introduce our guest. Saurabh Bhatnagar is the CEO and founder of FlexiFunnels, and he has been building and scaling digital products for years. Anyone who is from India must be already aware of him, and in, he's. I think that if someone is in the digital space in last few years, he must be already aware of Saurabh, right? So yeah, what I so Saurabh, welcome to the live stream once again,
Yeah.
and let's
Yep.
start with a quick intro from your side for a right. Uh, if
Right.
you can introduce a bit of about yourself and what are you doing, right?
Yeah. So, first of all, thank you for having me, and welcome to all the people who are going to be seeing this video. So, yeah, I'm Saurabh, and I'm somebody who came from a non-tech, non-marketing background, and I was looking for ways to make money, and then I explored that okay, people can make digital products, and they can sell it online, and they can make good money. So I started doing that. Pretty soon, I was selling in international marketplaces, and then I was one of the top affiliates and top vendors in the international marketplaces. And while building, like for this entire process, we were of course making funnels, and I had like multiple $1 million funnels that we had made. But while building those funnels, I saw some challenges which I could not see as a solution in any unified funnel builder, the ones which I tried and the ones which are popular. And I thought that okay, there is a big gap, and we can actually fill that gap. So we started working on our own funnel builder, and since then, so we launched 3 years back, August 2022. FlexiFunnels was launched, and since then we have had like 15,000 plus annual customers, and we have not even opened the free trial of the product yet. This is the first time we have released the LTD. All of our existing customers have been annual paying customers, and since we were stepping into the Western market, and all of our initial sales we had done in the Indian market, because like Unes also mentioned that we have a pretty much decent follower base in the Indian market, so that's why we were fully focused in the Indian market until now. So we thought that okay, AppSumo can give us good. Recognition and good reach. So we planned a LTD deal with AppSumo. So yeah, this is a good time to be a part of FlexiFunnels with the LTD deal. And this is a quick background context.
Okay, awesome. So after the introduction of Saurabh, the founder himself, for everyone watching, let me set the context that FlexiFunnel is an all-in-one platform that helps you build websites, landing pages, sales funnels, webinar funnels, online courses, membership portals, and now with AI, you can generate pages and funnels just by describing what you want in form of prompt, right?
Right,
So, in one line, I
right.
would say replace multiple marketing tools with one powerful system, right?
Right,
Uh,
right. And when we talk about replacement, so the features that you already mentioned, on top of that, reporting, analytics, and social proof, for example, something like Flexi Proof, like Proofly and all, and split testing, you can split test up to 10 pages. We have virality, like up viral, so Flexi Viral we have, so you can run your giveaway campaigns, viral lead generation campaigns. And then there is like tab messaging, multiple types of exit intent pop-ups, like advanced conditions for everything. So three different advanced type of timers, dynamic dates. So people will just see the today's date or current date on the landing page. So multiple ways source tracking is there. Or something like ads attribution tracking. So people can see end to end which ad is giving them the sale, which creative, which targeting, which campaign, which platform is giving them the sale. Something like you would have heard of Hyros. So that particular ads attribution tracking. So yeah, the idea is to replace something like Zoho for what Zoho is for businesses, operational side. That is something that we want to be for businesses, but for the marketing and sales perspective.
So exactly what I understood from this is that it's not just replacing funnel building tools, but also replacement of lot of small tools that we say like conversion optimization tools, right? Let's say exit pop up, or you say tab messaging, and whatever you said about dynamic dates and everything like that, right? So guys, if you are serious about building funnels, and let's say there is saying in marketing, right, that if you don't know sales, you know nothing, right, in market, right? And when it comes to sales, if you do not build funnels, you are not doing sales. That's what
Yeah,
I am saying right now here, right? So let's move ahead and we will talk about flexi funnels. So let's jump into the most important part, that will be live demo presented by himself, Saurabh, and we'll walk through the whole platform, that how it works, what are the features inside. And guys, you can drop your comments inside the comment box, and yeah, we'll be taking live questions. And if someone wants to join on the panel directly to talk about, with us, then you can comment and I'll give you the studio link inside the comment box, right? So Saurabh, you
yeah.
can share your screen and we'll proceed, right?
Yeah. So I can see Phil Edward has commented the FlexiFunnels has webhooks. Yes, we have webhooks. So that is something that we have. And I will go ahead and share my screen. Zendet as payment gateway we don't have. We have Stripe and PayPal, and we have Indian payment gateways. But happy to, let's suppose, listen to the requests that are coming in from the users and integrate that as in when the priority and the number of requests that are coming in for a particular feature. So, for example, let's say the first part is, let's say you can build your pages. And for the last 2.5 years, we have always had drag and drop pages. But now, since AI is here, so we have introduced the AI page builder, and I will tell you the speciality of it in one liner, and then we will go on to build something. It will take 5 to 7 minutes. So the AI page builder is something that builds your pages with the direct response marketing and direct response conversion optimization in mind. So we have taught our AI with the best converting funnels and ads data of all time. And when you build a page, even if you write a one line prompt, it creates a page that you feel that, okay, this is definitely going to convert. So we will do a quick demo right over here. So maybe I'm gonna pick it from the audience only. Maybe Phil, since you are here, if you have any page request that, okay, build a page for this kind of business, I can quickly pick your request.
Yeah, Phil, you can write in the comment box and I'll show that on screen, right? mm, you must be thinking about that. What
Yeah,
should that
it
was
can be
sudden.
anything. It can be anything. Yeah, saloon, gym, or maybe your exact business, or maybe a flooring company, or anything. It can be anything. Or Nish, maybe you can suggest anything, and we can build that very quickly.
Yeah, actually, I also haven't thought about it. Let's
Mm-hmm.
say I'm about to launch a course platform, uh, which can be multi-instructor or let's say single instructor. Will that be okay, or I have to think about something else?
Yeah, so basically you are launching a SaaS, which is a course hosting platform, correct?
Yeah, you can say that. Yeah.
Okay, fine. So let's do it. I want a SaaS website. for my upcoming LMS
Actually, it would
platform.
be not, let's say, it would be not LMS platform, but a platform like Udemy, which allows multiple instructors to sell their courses, and that platform gets its cut from their sold courses. You got me?
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I want a home page for my website, um, which is a platform like Udemy, wherein multiple voice creators can host and launch their courses. Right, and we can give it a name. Do you have any name in mind? The name
Uh, just give a random name.
platform.
Oxtel, right?
eh,
Oxtel. Oxtel Academy, you can say. Oxtel.
Ox Okay,
EAL.
we'll pick this. I want a homepage for my website, which is a platform like Udemy, wherein multiple course creators can host and launch their courses. And the platform is Oxtel. Okay, cool.
Oxtel AA. Okay, no problem.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay. So, in the meantime, while this page is gonna be built, let's go ahead and see a couple of pages that have already been created. For example, let's say this create a high converting sales page to sell a digital ebook. Product name is 28-day fat loss made simple, no gym needed. So let's have a look at this. Now, think about it from the conversion perspective. What you are seeing on your screen is something which is selling a ebook, and if you will see this thing, no gym required is highlighted, which is one of the biggest objections of multiple people who want to lose weight. 28-day is something that shows, okay, fast results. Fat loss system, again, the benefit, and for busy Indians. So that is what was highlighted in the prompt that was given. Target is busy working adults, especially Indian professionals. So that is why it has picked busy Indians, right? At the same time, understand this thing, like when it comes down to creating conversion optimized pages, the marketer should understand that, okay, what is it that is supposed to be highlighted. Let's say 28 days, something which is highlighted. Busy Indians is highlighted. Without strict dieting is underlined, and then call to action is visible in the first fold. At the same time, results in 28 days is something which is prominently displayed, also proven by 1,000 plus Indians. None of that was given in the prompt. And have a look at this. Why most Indian professionals fail to
Actually,
lose fat.
we just wrote, you just wrote the prompt in 1 or 2 lines, right? And here there is a very lengthy prompt. So, does FlexiFunnels write itself these long prompts, or you have given?
No, no, I for this one, I got the prompt from ChatGPT. So I
Okay,
gave it
awesome.
a context. I was doing this workshop, so there I did it.
Yeah.
But I will show you something which would be smaller. For example, let's say this one.
Okay.
Okay, this is also a long one. One second. Probably this one. But okay, so this is also a long term, but let's have a look at the quality of the page first. So this high quality pages are going to be built. And then most importantly, once the page is built, so unlike any AI builder, you can do drag and drop editing of the pages. And the pages,
Okay.
they load in less than 1 second. So it's not just the AI is building the page for you. Like AI builds the page for you, then you can do chatting with the AI and you can replace the page content or anything. Or if you want, you can come back to the editor and we have a full blown editor. Like this was our original product. And we have figured out a way to create the AI based pages and do the drag and drop based editing. So anything is like customizable. So for example, you want to put a button over here and then you want to connect this button maybe to a website URL, or maybe to a product, or maybe a funnel, or maybe open a pop-up, or maybe connected with a WhatsApp link. So all, like a fully functioning proper website.
So
At
you
the
can
same
say that
time,
this is a vibe coding page builder for non-coders who do not need to even edit the code generated by AI.
you don't need to edit the code. Yes, that's correct. And you can click on publish, and the website goes live instantly. And like I said, all the pages they load in less than 1 second. So for example, I want to replace this image with something, let's say this. So simple drag and drop functionality. So the AI is gonna build a page for you, and then you can do the simple drag and drop editing. So for example, we change the button color and we change the size of it, no? And if I will click on publish again, then the image is also going to be updated. So you can drag and drop and update any part of the whole page. For example, let's suppose below this headline, you want to put a video, and like any element that you want to put, you can do that. Or maybe a row, or maybe, forms or anything that you want to publish. Let's say I want to put this video, and then I can put the video URL right over here, and the video will appear on this page. So full blown drag and drop editor is there. And yeah, this page also has started building. Let's have a look at something wherein I might have put a smaller prompt. So it does not matter. For example, even if I put a one line prompt, so let's have a look at this. My name is Sean. I'm into real estate. I buy and sell houses, and it will create a full blown page. So basically, in the backend, there is a three-step process which is happening simultaneously. First, by looking at the prompt, we try and create a customer profile in the backend. That okay, what exactly is going to be the customer like? What are their pain points? What are their challenges? What are their, let's say, dream desires, benefits? Transformation that they are looking for, the outcome that they are looking for. So we understand from the customer psychology. We create that ICP, ideal customer persona, in the backend. And then the second part of the AI works on the designing plan and the copywriting plan. And then finally, the page is created. So it's not like a simple vibe coding that just starts and builds randomly what AI is coming up with. So there is a three-step process behind building any page. And once the page is created, for example, let's say once the page is built, then you can go ahead and do any kind of changes. For example, let's say um, uh, in the integrations, let's suppose, I mean, to run the business on automation, we have all the autoresponder integrations, we have all the webinar integrations, payment gateway integrations, we have integration with conversion API, Facebook conversion API. So all the leads and sales data that you generate gets passed to Facebook automatically. Then you can connect your domains, and automatically all the pages will have immediate SSL, and you can upload your ebooks or any digital product, and anybody who will sign up without you having to put your SMTP, the digital asset or the ebook or anything will be shared to the customer email ID automatically. So our own SMTP does the job. And you can set up the card abandon email sequences. So anybody who comes to your pages and does not purchase, then and if they are leaving, so the cart abandon sequence triggers automatically. You can set up coupons. You can set up your affiliate program is something which is coming, which will be included in all the tiers of FlexiFunnels, and you can set up your social tracking, like social proof, Flexi proof. I will just show you. And like I said, source tracking, split testing, AI marketing agent. So AI marketing agent is something which is very super special, and it takes care of multiple marketing tasks for you. So for example, we have this, you can set up your pre-webinar reminder emails, post-webinar reminder emails, headlines, WhatsApp messages, ad hook generator, video ad script. So this as well, we have taught with the best converting ads data and marketing data of all time. So if you will see any marketing copy that is being generated because of this, you will feel like it is too much to the point. For example, in a webinar yesterday, I was generating this copy, which was a sales page copy. I will just open this very quickly. And similarly, let me open for, so this was an example for a dog page. Similarly, let me open another example. Let's say something which is more relevant, or something which is more easy to understand for anybody. Let's say weight loss. So for weight loss, this is something that we have generated, a video ad script, an ad hook generator. Let's open the video ad script. Smart, successful woman and weight loss after 30. So let's have a look at this. Why do smart, successful women struggle the most with weight loss after 30? So the profile that was created over here was busy women after 30, weight loss for them. So this is the hook, right? Then it's not their willpower or intelligence. You are crushing it in your career, managing a family, solving complex problems daily, yet somehow the weight keeps creeping on despite your best efforts. So, like proper full copy and proper full scripts, they are generated. And for example, the sales page copy is generated for this dog training program. So, let's have a look at this. From the headline, discover the proven 6-week system that transforms your stubborn, embarrassing dog into a well behaved companion that makes you proud. Any dog owner can relate with this headline. So like I said, that proper marketing copies are generated, and then proper full-blown conversion optimization suite is there. So if I will go ahead and show you the actual power. So we have this page like wherein we have put all the details. So if you will see, any page will load in less than 1 second. That is just the starting point of it. After that, like, and by the way, this page is built, like all the pages are built using Flexi. You can see the designing and everything, right? Even our designing level has went up 10 times beyond, because our AI understands designing and marketing like anything. So split testing is there, bump offers are there, these proof notifications are there, three types of timers are there. A timer that will end on a particular date and time, or maybe a evergreen timer, or maybe a daily timer, like daily 11:59 p.m. it will be ending. API, source tracking, ads attribution tracking, hosting, dynamic date. So it's like a full blown suite to market and sell your products, everything, and add copies and everything in one single place. And by the way, this page is also generated, Unesh, if you will see, Oxtail. So
Okay.
let's have a look at this.
Yeah.
Transform your knowledge into a global education empire. Images is something that needs to be ignored, because
Okay.
images is something that you will need to put by yourself. Oxtail is
Yeah.
a revolutionary platform where visionary educators, and if you will see, like you can mention the color combination that you want. So if you
Okay.
don't mention, then it will generate by itself. Like in some of the other pages, the color combination was mentioned. So powering education worldwide,
Mhm.
some social, because since we have not given any context, so
Yeah.
now it has
We
to
haven't given
generate
any
a,
comment. Yeah.
yeah, so it has to generate a conversion optimized page. So it is pulling up things by itself, but you can fully edit anything that you want to do. So
Yeah.
why course creators choose Oxtail? It has an advanced course builder, powerful marketing suite, simplified monetization, creator community, powerful analytics. I mean, it does not know anything, so it is
Yeah.
pulling up.
Making up,
But
right? Yeah.
yeah, but you can see, right? This is exactly what is supposed to be inside Oxtail,
Yeah.
right? You should have high converting landing page templates, email automation sequences, affiliate program management, because all of this is there in Udemy. So if you are creating a competitor to Udemy, then
Okay.
this is something that is supposed to be there, right? Simplified monetization, one-time subscription, bundle courses, global tax compliance. See how detailed it has gone into.
Hmm.
So,
And this niche, particular niche, is also not as usual, right? Because marketers launch their own platform for own courses, right? This is something called marketplace, and this is not usual. They used in funnels, right? Because marketplace usually does not use landing pages funnels. They
hmm,
just use it. Yeah.
yeah. So it has come up
I
with
think we
all
should
of
have
this
given
also.
something else. We should have given something else. But
You
that
can.
we got a website ready in one prompt. That's very good thing for, it can save a lot of time. And now we can edit with drag and drop builder. We can change anything in there.
You can.
Yeah.
And let's have a look at this. Create an appointment booking page for my astrology consultation services, business in Hindi. So you can generate in any language. अपने भविष्य के रहस्यों को जानिए. So what it means is,
Okay, I seen similar.
discover.
I seen similar to something in English also. Is this your business also?
No.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean, you can build any kind of page. That's the end thing. And the pages are going to be fully conversion optimized, and you can see the design and everything.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's like one part of it, and then the second part of it, like why customers are preferring to use FlexiFunnels and why they have started shifting from other platforms to FlexiFunnels, is just one thing, and that is because of the higher conversions that we are providing and delivering to our customers. So any like customers who have had their pages hosted on any other page builder or funnel builder, they have just shifted to Flexi and they have seen better conversions. So what we openly tell people to do is that, okay, if you have 100% ad spend, just put your 15 or 20% ad spend on a page built on Flexi, and then you see the conversion difference. So this is what people have been doing, and we have like proper these pages, for example, comparison pages where we have like documented success stories of people who have shifted from platforms like ClickFunnels or Go High Level, and they have openly shared all of their results. that this is what I was using earlier and now I have shifted to this and my conversions have went up. Like, of course, in terms of affordability also, the price is like one fifth, 5 times cheaper. But that is not the angle that I anytime promote. I always promote that you will see better conversions
Okay, these are from your own community, right? From
from
Flexi.
the own community and like own community as in like customers only now who have become a part of the
Yeah, yeah,
community.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So I guess this is like from the demo point of view, you can please go ahead and if you have any questions that you want to ask or anything.
I think there is one question. Let's take it right now. It's from Phil again. Uh, how's the credit system for the use of AI?
So, like we have different tiers, tier one to tier five, and within those tiers, like we start with 10 AI credits, and up to tier five, they are like 100 AI credits. And once the credits are gone, then anybody can purchase like a single credit for $2.39. So the
Okay,
way
so
I would like
what is how is AI credit consumed? Is it for one page or something like that?
one
One
full
credit
page,
for one page. Okay,
one full page, but we need to think of it from the perspective of that think of it that a marketer, a funnel designer, a strategist, a copywriter, they are all working together for one credit, which is $2.39.
okay, awesome. So that can also stop abuse also of system. And there is one more thing. If we have access to, let's say you are not using this inbuilt, right? You are using something else in like vibe coding or landing page builder. Directly you are using, let's say, any other, you are using chat gpt credits also, because when you use with api, every prompt is getting charged, right? So what you have to do is first work on your prompt. You get it. What I prefer, as you said, I just give a small prompt to ChatGPT and ask him to write the prompt for me, and then I give that prompt. That will save a lot of credits, right? Because if I write one prompt, I didn't get that result as I wanted, right? Then I will write next. After 10 to 12 prompts, let's say I come to the thing which I wanted. Instead of that, if I take one prompt from ChatGPT itself, and that will help me a lot in just one or two trial, right?
Yeah, and we need to consider the bigger problem also. For example, if you try to build a website using vibe coding, let's say, okay, first thing they are not, let's say, marketing trained. That is one thing. But second thing is everybody is aware about the hallucination problem. So after you have done like three, four, five different attempts, then it will start hallucinating. So if there was a particular section of your website which you were originally liking, and you have given a single change, but then the entire website design and look and feel will be gone. But the fact that with Flexi, you have a drag and drop editor. So you don't need AI credits anymore. You build a page and then you do the drag and drop editing. And that does not require any AI. And that is like fully unlimited to use. And you can build unlimited pages in all the tiers.
Okay.
And along with that, we also have one more option. I will just show you. So not just the AI
You need to
based
share.
editor.
You need to share the screen again. Yeah.
I did. So it's we don't just have the AI page builder. We also have a drag and drop builder to start with. For example, let's say if somebody wants to build a page with a simple drag and drop also. For example, let's say your main pages you build with AI. But let's say a simple thank you page. Why to waste the AI credit over there? So build that using the drag and drop builder. And we have like tons of templates for every single category.
I
Email
would like
opt-in,
to see
webinar registration.
I would like to have a glimpse of templates also. That what are the, in terms of numbers and in terms of quality, how templates are, right?
Okay, yeah. So there are like 700 plus templates. I'm just opening that. So let me close a few tabs simultaneously. Um,
So what you're saying is that whatever funnels are usually used inside market, let's say health niches and multiple niches, you have already spent 700 credits to create these funnels, and uh, these are whole full funnels, right, with multiple pages templates. Am I
so
right?
not the credits. So since we are a company that exists for the last 3 years, and AI's page builder is something that was introduced very recently, but earlier our customers were using the drag and drop templates only.
Yeah, I completely
So
get that. You already had a page builder before, and you have templates from that time. But as in terms of user, we already have. We don't have to just write. prompt and use our credit for the funnel which is already there inside templates, right? So first
Yeah,
if
correct,
I am a
correct.
user of FlexiFunnels and I want to build my funnel today and want to deploy tomorrow, so what I would do, I would first search in template, and if I did not get what I want, then I will use my credit.
I would use think of it in a different way. For example, let's say this is a template, right? And this is a really good looking template with proper designing and everything done. But everything on this template with respect to copy, you will have to do it from the scratch. So
Yeah.
if you are happy to do your copy, you go ahead and do it. But if you want to, get a AI done page with copy, so prefer the AI page builder. I
Okay.
would say for less important pages, or let's suppose for pages in which the copy will play a lesser role, so you can use the done for you templates. Let's
Okay.
say a bridge page or a thank you page or maybe a quick affiliate page. So like templates are like supremely well designed. So you can use any of these pages.
Awesome. Awesome.
Yeah. So there are like 700 plus templates which are already there. Like simple opt-in pages. You have a, let's say, digital ebook page. So use the simple, these kind of pages.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So where were we?
I can
Exactly.
see a question from Sturgis. Saurabh sent like such a stand-up guy. I wish one. And I had an immediate need for flexibility. I had not blown my budget this month. Okay.
Awesome. Uh, yeah.
Yeah.
Justin, how
You
are
can,
you?
you can. Y- You can, by the way, Phil, you can create templates and you can save them for your unlimited use case, like for further. And you can copy like one block from one section to another. So even that is possible from one page to another. So you can save a section as a block and then you can use it multiple times on any page. So Sturgis, like what are you using right now?
Yeah. If you can reply, Sturgis, then also if you
And
want to
and
join
and
live.
and yeah, very quickly, since the deal is live on AppSumo, we have also put a free trial also available for FlexiFunnels. So, like before checking out the deal or before even entering into the deal, go ahead and use the free trial. In the free trial, we have three AI credits also included, not more, but three AI credits, more than enough. Test the free trial, test the AI credits. Every other feature is like fully unlimited, unlocked over there. Be very confident with the product, then you can go ahead and become a part of the AppSumo deal.
Okay. Awesome. So I
Yeah.
just dropped the link of Studio inside the comment box everywhere. It will post it on Facebook, YouTube, everywhere. So if anyone wants to join, then just hop on and I'll take you inside, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
So we were sharing the funnel templates, right?
yeah, I showed a few, so
Okay.
some of
Awesome.
these.
Awesome. Awesome.
Yeah,
Uh,
so we can go ahead, select the template and do any designing and
so
editing
can
that
you
we
show
want to
which
do.
payment gateways are right now available inside?
Yeah, so right now we have PayPal, Stripe, and Indian payment gateways, Razorpay, Cashfree, and Instamojo. And everything like simple two-click integration. And then you have proper reporting dashboard and proper, let's say, product reports and everything. So you can see like in detail, uh, like how many how many visitors came to your page. For example, if I will open something. So how many visitors came to your page? How many visitors, let's say, signed up, unique opt-in, unique sales, say, conversion rate, and then you have the proper product report also. So for how many sales you are doing, how many, let's suppose if there are refunds, how many refunds are happening. So all the reports are like proper in detail. And at the same time, if I will go ahead and go into the apps for the split testing also, like proper entire end-to-end data for your account. So let's say I will show you one of the recently ended campaigns. For example, let's say, yeah, this one. So I will go to this year. So you can split test up to 10 different URLs at one single go. So yeah, if you will see, we was testing between 4 pages, and this was our real campaign. So if you can see multiple, exact split data, and one page converting at 30%, another page converting at 24%. So like it will be a full blown uh, funnel building suite that you will have, and you can easily replace your multiple tools from a single platform.
Okay, awesome. So let's talk. Now we have come. So guys, platform is very diverse and it has lots of sections. If we are going to cover each and every section, let's say dashboard, products, projects, affiliates, funnels, apps, you can see on top of this sort of screen, right? So it will take a lot of time. So you can go, and they have just opened the trial for people to test it out. You can go and test it. uh, if you want to share anything else, sort of inside from inside the tool, and you can share now, and then we'll move to use cases.
Yeah, yeah, sure. So yeah, there's one more prominent thing, which is the funnel builder. Like you can set up the proper funnels and let's say upsell, downsell, and within a single upsell and within a single downsell, you can have multiple products. Like one single OTO, for example, one single upsell can have three different price points, like small, medium, large, popcorn, right? So for example, a lot of popular funnel builders, they only allow one price point for a particular upsell, but over here you can have multiple, so that increases your average order value. Similarly, if you are working with clients, we have a proper this thing sub user management, and you can manage multiple sub users within the single dashboard, and you can assign very detailed, very granular level permissions. For example, you just want to assign, let's say, project permission or maybe a product permission, and for that also, what do you want to assign? Do you want to assign create permission, edit permission, view permission, and do you want to assign permission to all the projects, all the products, or particular product? So let's suppose a particular client will only see their project, their reports, their statistics, their payment gateways, and that too you can pick and choose. Okay, what all do you want to show to them? At the same time, again, is it a edit permission or just a view permission? So everything is like fully detailed and very detailed level done.
Okay, so this can be very helpful for people who are building funnels for clients. Let's say they are freelancers or an agency, whatever they are, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
correct.
Okay, awesome. So let's jump to the use cases, right? Because this is where people connect that how they can use in their workflow, or let's say in their business. Uh, and yeah, we have one more comment. I don't use much right now, but this is a reply to your questions, right? But I own many
Yeah,
gross
right.
pages GHL. Okay, awesome,
Okay.
awesome. Just
Yeah, Flexi is something. I mean, I feel that one of the prominent reasons that people feel very, let's say, that inertia which is always there to use something, and because there is a learning curve attached to it. The good thing with the Flexi AI is that the AI page builder is like super easy. Like anybody can type a line, and they will have a working page for them within 5 to 10 minutes. So you get your first win within 10 minutes, so that makes it very very handy and very easy. So this is going to be a platform that you are actually going to use.
okay, awesome. So when it comes to use cases, what I see over here is that if you run a coaching program, let's say it's one-to-one coaching or one-to-many, right? Whatever it is, right? But if you are running a coaching program, and these are not low tickets courses, right? I'm talking about proper business coaching, whatever niche you are in, and this is for you. And course creators, they can sell, they can host their courses inside FlexiFunnels, and we'll come to the plans that in which tier, what limitations, or let's say what are restrictions on you. But I'm just going through use cases. If you are a course seller, course creator, content creator who want to dive inside course creation thing, this is very big niche. And in the world of AI, there is so much chaos, right? People are learning from AI, but also getting confused by AI by dropping too much outside their focus thing, right? So if you are into coaching business, let's say you are doing webinar for your business, it's either it's weekly or monthly, then you need your webinar funnels to be created and hosted somewhere, right? If you are launching some challenges thing, right, challenges also has funnels, then this is for you. Again, if you are a freelancer, you can use this for clients. If you are an agency, you can use this for clients. And if you are an affiliate marketer, you can create funnels to promote products of other people, right? And you can get commission, right? Because some of the products which are in the market, they are very good, but they are not marketing focused. Their pages are not conversion optimized. Here where you come in the game, use their product, earn commission by creating conversion optimized landing pages for your affiliate, and you get more sales than them if you drive traffic to their that particular conversion optimized landing page. So these are some of the use cases which just came in my mind. If you want to add, you can add something, sort of.
Yeah, I will add something. Let's say before launching FlexiFunnels, so both me and my partner Karthik, so we have done like multiple million-dollar international launches, and so creating a product based out of our experience and based out of our experience of finding good across multiple platforms. And Karthik was somebody who was also featured on the homepage of PayPal, like my co-founder. So, like coming from that background and then solving the problems that initially we were facing in a actual genuine platform, and then to on this. So yeah, course creators are there, and you can set up like for coach for setting up your LMS also. There are like multiple features over there as well. Let's say you can set up quizzes, you can set up certificates, you can set up notes, discussions. So all these, like everything is like super detailed. Similarly, you can set up your checkout pages. On a single checkout page you can put multiple payment gateways, so your customers get to choose from different payment gateways. That increases your payment probability because they have multiple payment options to pick from. Similarly, there are like bump offers, coupons, everything. So that way. So yeah, anybody who wants to sell, they need good optimized checkout pages. So that is a major use case, that comes into the picture automatically. That sell anything with good looking optimized checkout pages. And then anything you need below that, before that, or after that. Let's suppose a sales page, a bridge page, a webinar page, a email opt-in page, whatever it is, or maybe a thank you page, product launch page, whatever it is. Everything is there. And to track and measure your progress, the reports, the analytics, everything that is needed. So everything is in one single place. And our pages and everything. For example, we are on the highest plan of Cloudflare Enterprise, and we have put in Argo routing. So pages load in like less than 1 second, and it is like fully enterprise grade. For example, on the homepage of flexifunnels.com, we have put a video, which is a load test that has been done by loader.io, which is a SendGrid product. And uh, in that test, we have shown on a single page, we have sent like 100,000 visitors in 1 minute, and all the data, all the load requests, everything was served without a single fail. So like fully enterprise grade product. And yeah, we are coming to AppSumo like after being a very, very, very mature platform, 15,000 plus annual users. Again, since it was our entry point to Western market, so that was like we are not somebody who is launching to get a initial traction, something which is a marketing strategy.
Okay, awesome. And we covered everything. I also dropped few of the use cases where you can build this. Now let's have an overview of whatever we have talked. So if you want to build business around funnels, where it could be anything, right? It could be because it has internal feature of hosting your courses. I'm focusing on that part, but you can build funnels for selling everything, right? Let's say pages and funnels, you have payments and analytics, right? You can host your courses, you can add your own custom domains, you can also manage sub accounts, which is called sub users inside FlexiFunnels. And that's what it is, right? So now let's jump to the deal which just Saurabh talked about, that they launched on AppSumo, which is available for lifetime. And yeah, this is the deal page. Let me jump up, share my screen, right? Just give me a second. Yeah, so this is the deal page. And what I would do is, yeah, create sites and funnels with one prompt. And we'll just have a quick overview because we already talked in detail about everything about FlexiFunnels, right? So you can go and visit the deal link you will find in the description below, and also in the first comment of this live stream. And these are all features mentioned over here. I will quickly jump on pricing. and there are about five tiers available. Um, uh, so in first year, you get about 10 AI page builder credits, one custom domain that you can connect your one domain, right? Monthly visits of 2,500 visitors. This is visiting visitors of funnel builder, right? Let's say funnel pages. These are
Yeah.
so let me make it clear. If I have a funnel of about 2 to 3 pages, right? It has upsell pages. So every visit is counted.
Every visit is counted, yeah, overall.
Awesome.
Overall account.
So what is this bonus AppSumo visits over here?
So bonus AppSumo visitors, let's suppose, let's say you have months in which you don't just want to be stuck with 2,500 monthly visits, and you have some kind of, let's say, ad spike or maybe a launch spike, some extra traffic coming in. So you have a gross pool of extra 100,000 AppSumo visits, like in tier one, and in every tier it's going up. So it will cut off from there. So let's say if instead, let's say in a month you don't have 2,500 monthly visitors, you have 3,000. So there are 500 extra visitors which are coming in. So it will come cut off out of the bonus AppSumo visits. So that is what the bonus AppSumo visit is in all
Okay.
the tiers it is there.
So one more thing I would like to share over here with the people, that these are not website visits. These are funnel pages, specific funnel pages where you drive traffic with your ads, or let's say via affiliates or something like that. So those visits are highly targeted and not random visits that you get on your normal website's homepage. Am I right, Saurabh?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like these are basically your landing. I mean, you can build your website also over here,
Hmm.
and like 20,000. For example, in tier five, there are 20,000 monthly visits, which is a big number. It's a very big number for anybody to run it sustainably and running a sustainable business. 20,000 monthly visits is a very, very decent number. And that is why there is a 650K extra bonus AppSumo visits
Hmm.
as well. And then if customers want even more, so we have put add-ons, let's say $15 for 100,000 extra page views. So you can stack up to 1.5 million extra page views for $15 per 100,000 page views.
So what is the cost for $15? How many visits?
100,000.
And that does not have any time limit, right?
There is no time limit. There is no time limit to it. So you
Okay.
can stack up to another 1.5 million page views for $15 per 100,000. And if you are going beyond that, let's suppose, because now think about it, this is 20,000 per month for life and 650,000 plus 1.5 million. So that's like over 2 million page visit, which is a lot of traffic, right? So 2 million page visits is like even if we convert 2% of the visitors into customers, that's like 40,000 sales. 40,000 sales sums up to a good amount of
Whatever
revenue.
your ticket size is, you can count according to that.
You can count accordingly. And then we have the monthly plans. Like at a I mean we have already got you to a level in which you are doing a very good business with the help of Flexi. Now is the time to transition to a monthly plan,
Okay.
which is
So,
$38 per month for unlimited visitors.
okay, for AppSumo customers.
Even generally we have it.
Okay, awesome. So yeah, and let's talk about sub users, right? So sub user starts from tier two. This is $129, and you get two sub user. So these are additional user than main admin, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay. And in tier three we have six sub users. In tier four we have 10. Tier five we have 20, right?
20. Yeah, correct.
Okay, so AI marketing words. Again, these are zero in tier one and tier two, but from tier three it starts about 75,000 in tier three, 1.5, 1.50K in tier four, and 300K in license tier five, right?
Correct.
And unlimited course
So
creation.
I will
Yeah,
just add a comment to it. So let's
yeah,
say
sure.
for example, let's suppose if somebody is generating a sales page copy using the AI marketing engine. This is separate than the AI funnel builder, the AI page builder. AI marketing engine is like I showed you, right? WhatsApp email, like WhatsApp reminders, email reminders, ad copy, video ad script, everything. So let's suppose if somebody goes on to generate a sales page copy, that is like 3,000 words. So you can generate like 25 full. blown sales page copies, right? Or maybe if somebody is generating a video ad script that is hardly like 500 words, 600 words, so 75,000 words with 150,000 words, like a lot of copies can be generated overall. So, and then there's a like once these are finished, then you can even upgrade, and that would be like $5 for another 100,000 words.
Okay, that's awesome. And let's move ahead. Now we have arrived where we need to sell courses, right? So you have no limit on course creations, but there is limit on members. These are students which get access to your learning management system, where you can host your videos of courses in form of lessons, and people can watch that, right? And
Correct.
I would like to, you know, let's say you get 5,000 students and your course is of, let's say, $200, or let's say $100, right? So just you can count upon that. But there are some coaching programs usually give access to their videos, or let's say recordings or live classes for a limited period of time. Let's say you got all, let's say you ran 5 batches in year. Your coaching program is of, let's say, 2 months, right? And you take 2 months vacation every year. So there you get 1,000 students in each and every batch, right? 1,000 students is a big number. If someone is from that market, you can understand and how much you have to spend on ads and marketing to get 1,000 customers. Let's say if your course is of $100 also, right? So let's say just count the number, how much you have generated, and you can remove them after 6 months from your LMS. You can still keep them in your email list as your students, but they have limited access. And this is what forces people to watch courses, because what market survey says is that people buy courses and do not
Yeah.
watch at all, right? There's a one or two courses and something, one or two lessons, and that's all. So that's how live coaching and cohort system of courses and coaching is right now booming in market.
Right,
Am I right?
right. And
You are
and
from the
and a
yeah.
and a big part of our roadmap is also the gamification in LMS. So that will also increase the overall watch ratio of the courses.
Okay, so this is how you get word of mouth marketing, because people are buying your courses. You got your sale. Your marketing effort has already paid you enough, right? But word of mouth marketing, when it will happen? When people will experience what you are teaching, right? And if they are not experiencing at all, you forget about getting word of mouth marketing, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah. Where were we? We were on LMS section. So there are limitations in start from tier 3, tier 1 and tier 2 does not have LMS features where you can give access to your member, or you can say membership portal. But in tier 3 you get 5,000 member, tier 4 10,000 members, tier 5 15,000 members, which are 15,000 students, you can say, right? And since funnel builder you have accessed in all except one, tier 1. And similarly you can say these 5 features are not available in tier 1, and these 3 features are not available in tier 2, right? So guys, I will not go in each and everything over here. Rest is everything available in each and every plan, and those are the 700 templates and advanced integrations and custom subdomain and automatic SSL. You can go and watch this comparison table, price comparison table on deal page. You will find the link below in the description, and also inside the first comment if you are watching on Facebook, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, I think we covered everything, and there is a quick video message from founder again over here. You can find the
Yeah.
detail, and you can find the LinkedIn profile link of Saurabh on the deal page also. So if you want to add anything about pricing page, you can add here, Saurabh.
Yeah, I guess uh, from my experience, it's like we are a user of the platform first, and then the promoter of the platform. And since you know us, the kind of campaigns that we do, and big campaigns that we do over here, so every month we are launching like 3, 4 different marketing campaigns, and FlexiFunnels is a huge lifesaver for us. Putting everything in one single place. I remember when my pages were hosted on a landing page builder, I was using WPX website hosting, and that was $499 a year. which was like one of the best. Like I'm a big fan of WPX website hosting, and we wanted the solution to be like super that quality. So pages to load instantly, the editor to be like fully editable. You can build like super advanced designs using our editor. So you will find that quality overall in the platform, and that's why I said, please go ahead, see the free trial, test it out, and from there, become a part of the journey. We are going to be there on AppSumo for a few more days. And the initial reviews and feedback from the customers are also super amazing. Like on the deal page, the reviews that are there, the questions that are there, that people are experiencing the platform, and directly comparing with Bold available as well as ClickFunnels high level and putting in the comparisons over there. So you will have a good experience with the platform. That's what I can say.
So I think we missed the transaction fees inside the pricing plan. So let me quickly share that. Yeah, so there are transaction fees. In highest tier, it's 1%, and in the lowest tier, it's 2%, right?
Hmm.
So, yeah, I think this is now normal in SaaS LMS everywhere, right? I have seen so many SaaS launched this year, and everyone has kept this, right?
Like, see,
So,
this is our way of sustaining the product, because if we get paid for our deal just once and we have to sustain it in year 2030, year 2035, there is no way we can maintain that. And that's a false promise, right? So
yeah.
even in our regular annual subscription, we have a 1% transaction fee, not just for AppSumo, even our normal. But our 1%, it pays back for it by itself. For
Yeah,
example, the
because you
checkout
are
pages
only
are.
paying when you are getting paid, right? You are only
No, no,
paying this.
no, 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 no. That is true. But at the same time, the way our checkout pages are created, like they help you in increasing your conversions. You can set up CAPI, so it passes data to your Facebook Ads Manager, so your advertising becomes stronger. You can set up bump offers. You can set up coupons. You can set up any, let's say, different types of timers and everything. You can set up fully customizable designs, testimonials, everything. And on top of that, you can set up source tracking, like ads attribution, so you are able to make like full intelligent decisions, like which ad, which campaign, which targeting is bringing you sales. So automatically we give you much better ROI for your ad campaigns ultimately.
Okay, awesome. So that also, answers a lot of questions and concerns in the community, that there are upsells in every feature, right? That's not the case over here. There are only there is upsell, let's say in visits, in terms of visits, but that will cost them for life, right? And this is where sustainability comes in. We have seen the tools in market which have launched everything unlimited and then gone vanished from market in just 1 year or 2 year, right? So we don't want to be there. And just imagine that if you bought an LTD with everything unlimited, you build your whole business on this, and then one day suddenly an email comes that we are closing from this date, right? And now you have to shift the whole platform. So yeah, we have I've seen some concerns in market. So what I will do, I've gone through some threads and I would try to add those thing over here, but I don't think I'll be able to put here, right? And as there are private communities, I cannot share screen also, right? So let me read, right? So the first thing was price about visits, that we already covered. Second thing was transaction fee, that's now normal inside monthly plan also.
Hmm.
Let aside LTD, right? Inside monthly
Yeah,
plan, even FlexiFunnels also charges a percentage on every transaction in their annual plans also, right? Okay,
right.
so that's also answered. The next point was course limit, that 15,000 users, that limit is the concern. But uh, just imagine you are having your own SaaS, let's say, and you have 15,000 users. Right. That's a total different market. But resources used for, let's say, access to something behind the paywall, or let's say login system, membership portal, it has its own cost, right? So that's where the these limitations are coming in, because you are getting it in one time payment, right? Not monthly payment. If you
Right.
have more than 15,000 paid users, or let's say paid community members. Yeah, one quick question just came in my mind, that if someone want to sell membership on recurring charges, let's say I charge $10 per month for my community, or let's say LMS access, is that possible with FlexiFunnels subscription model?
Not yet. Like we have it for India. but with PayPal and Stripe, we don't have it yet. And it's something like until now, our primarily customer base was based in India, so that is why we have not yet set it up,
But it is
and
coming for international
it
clients soon.
is it is gonna be coming for sure. Like
Okay,
for us
awesome.
also to do proper monthly and recurring business, we need it for ourselves also. So,
Yeah.
definitely it's coming, and then it's coming for the customers as well.
Okay, so yeah, so that was my 2 cents on about course member limits, that it has to be limited somewhere. Let's say you are in India and you are also selling your courses in, let's say, uh, 5,000 Indian rupees, which is something somewhere around $70 to $80, right? Just count the cost, the revenue you will generate with 15,000 users, right? And if you want to
Yeah.
build this custom by developer on your hosting and your server, just count the development cost even with vibe coding. If you generate such LMS with vibe coding, I think you will consume at least, because I was recently testing in last previous week, I was testing vibe coding and something like that. So, according to my estimation, you will spend somewhere around 150 to $200 just coding, right? Then you have to
Yeah.
compile it everything. For that, you need uh, technical knowledge, and if you don't have, you have to hire someone, right? That's what you will be spending, and that will have just basic, that will only have basic LMS features, not these advanced features. Deeply integrated with marketing is something like that you cannot even create right now with vibe coding. That for that you have to, you will need custom development for sure. I'm sure about that, right? I
Yeah,
don't know
yeah.
about.
I mean, much better than custom developing. Just go for the full-blown LMS, which is already there, whether
Yeah.
FlexiFunnels or whatever it is. With Flexi, the advantage is that it's not just the LMS, the delivery of the course, but the selling of the course, which is also included, and then all the marketing optimization that is needed to make your marketing systems stronger, so that as a whole chain, you start making more money. So from launching to delivering to then giving all the marketing and optimization data, having it in one single place, and also passing it on to your ads manager. So it works as a full ecosystem. That's why the FlexiFunnels is there.
Okay, so yeah. One more concern I read on thread was that there is limit of 15,000 students, or let's say members inside membership portal, but they have limit of 20,000 visitors. So what I understood from this is that the person who wrote this concern in the community had mixed up the membership portal and funnel pages. Am I right on that?
I mean, yes, and yeah, that is correct. I mean, that's not a wrong concern, because somebody who is going into the membership area, they will first go to the sales page also, and that
Okay.
is a visit that will be counted, and then they will go on to the membership area. Uh, Definitely, that's a decently valid concern, but again, we need to understand that the 20,000 visits are monthly, so it's
Every
not
month you're
that
getting it right.
every month. So if the 20,000 visitors have come today, and let's suppose you converted 1%, so 200 sales have happened today. Then 20,000 next month also, 200 sales from there. So it's not 20,000 visits and 15,000 course sales. So 20,000 visits monthly and 15,000 course sales in total. 15,000 course sales, let's suppose even if somebody is selling at $100, that's $1.5 million in revenue. And then you need to think of switching to our manual plans, monthly plans.
Okay. Uh, I think I covered everything from here. Let me jump to the another thread, right? Mm, even those threads also got some good reviews from old users who are already using this from, let's say, a couple of years, or let's say a few months. Uh, so yeah, I think we covered everything. Let me make sure of it. Uh, yeah. So that's all from me. So guys, if you have any questions inside you can drop inside the comment box and we can cover it. Right? Anything you want to add, Saurabh, about that?
No, I think we have covered pretty much everything. And thank you for having the patience to be over here listening to us. I mean, time is the greatest gift that
Yeah.
anybody can give to anybody. So thank you for listening to us, and thank you for considering FlexiFunnels. And yeah, I mean, we are very very passionate. Like I've been building funnels for the last 10 years now, and working on FlexiFunnels for the last 5 years. Me, my partner, we have a 80+ team, and overall, so yeah, like daily on a daily basis, this is what we work on, and making it better on a continuous basis. There's no storage limit of any kind. So like, because the videos that you will be adding to your membership area, they will be embedded, so you can have it anywhere, like Vimeo, Gumlet, Wistia, YouTube, wherever. So we don't store anything. And yeah, with respect to storing your let's say digital assets, or maybe the images for your pages and all, there is no such limit.
Okay, awesome. That was very good question from Phil, and we got its clarification that there is no limit because videos are embedded, and main consumption of storage is for videos, usually in LMS, right? So
Yeah.
that's one more good question. Thank you, Phil, for that. And let's wrap this up. And we already covered all the questions while the live stream itself, so we don't have to uh, cover it right now. One more question from Phil is that do you have agency clients? Yeah, we covered that
Uh,
already, right?
we have like 40% of our customer base
Okay,
out of
agency clients.
15,000. Yeah, out of 15,000 annual users, they are like agency users only. And since I believe that you were here throughout the session, right? So we have like proper sub users wherein you can assign proper permissions, whether you want to add your team members or you want to add your clients. So that panel is there.
What was number you just said out of 15,000?
40%.
40% are agencies and service providers, which are
Yeah.
providing, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Freelancers and agencies.
Yeah, freelancers in agency. So awesome. That's very good thing to know about FlexiFunnels. So, guys, you watch this whole live stream, and one more thing, bad thing which Facebook did with me is that it automatically marked my live stream on my profile as private. So after the live stream, I cannot even change that to public while live stream is going on. So everyone watching on my profile will be definitely watching after the live stream ends. So you can still drop your questions inside the comment box. After this live stream, I will be making it public instantly after the live stream ends. So that's what Facebook usually does sometimes, right? Sometimes it makes for friends only, sometimes it make it public. And I haven't changed anything, right? I'm doing live streams since last 2 months. I did more than 10 plus live streams, right? So yeah, guys, he's asking, I meant like your own clients. I think he's
Mm,
asking that are you providing services to your clients also by using FlexiFunnels?
uh, no, no, no. We are working and operating only as a SaaS company. We are
Okay.
not working with any client as such, like directly.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
So, guys, that was all. Thank you for joining and thank you for having you here. And we will meet in the next live stream with some amazing deal and tool that will help you and us all growing our business. So, guys, thank you for joining. See you in the